How do you like my potato?
Good morning, Philippines!
What? Wow, what is that? Waterproof what? I'm gonna do my hand first before I eat. That's everything. What the heck is that? Keep going. Give me one. What is that kind? I don't like
Pepperoni.
that.
You don't like pepperoni?
Okay, whatever. It's not cook.
Pepperoni.
It's not cook.
Of course it's cook. It's not on a pizza.
This is stolen, right?
Yes, but you really need to be in this one.
No,
Oh,
we're
you
going to
need that
Isabel.
Yeah.
I wanna look the house. Do we have paper towel?
Is what you think?
Thank you.
I'll give you one of these prosciutto.
Expensive suit. Hi guys, we're hungry. We're eating unhealthy food. Prosciutto is good.
Never buy it because it's pricey.
They're very expensive.
Their price in there was pretty good with prosciutto, but you didn't let me get it.
Check this out. This is like ridiculous. This is it. That is too much salt.
Yeah, all these things go with good salt. All cookbooks in general, but
I want to look at Murphy house. Pass by. No, hold this. Thank you. Luckily, I know this area. I can maneuver all the traffic. I know how to deal with people. Well, not really. It's just the driving. It has nothing to do with people. Wala.
yeah, it's blocked off.
Nako talaga. So where I should go?
Oh, here. Here.
There's no other one?
That will bring you right down to the bottom of the hill.
And nothing over here?
No, this will bring you back to the column.
Okay, can you tell me where to go next?
Yeah. He said, luckily I know where I am. I can find my way around.
No, this is
That didn't last long.
this area. Tell me where to turn, huh?
Going straight.
This area I never go. We only go like that route thing that we always do.
Now, the stop sign, you get two choices. You can either turn right or bear right. But you can turn right here.
I can
but
turn. I follow that guy.
You better off going down the straight road.
Okay.
Not where this guy goes right there.
Right here.
Yeah. That'll actually bring it down the side of the railroad track. So.
Okay. Right here. Right here.
You know, go to the light. Yeah,
Okay.
this would do it, but go to the light.
Turn to the light.
Yeah, turn to the light. One last turn.
Where should I go?
You go straight on the train track.
Oh, this is it. Okay.
Oh, now you know where you are.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody who knows where we are. Every time I know where I am, I get around traffic.
I have to turn the next one, not here. Over there, we can see the house.
No, you go over there, then you gotta turn over here and come here.
Oh, this is it.
This is it.
They're just gonna leave the porch like that. That's ugly if it's like that. Serious. That's his car, hon. I'm not gonna stop. Oh, they're doing
Yeah, right.
everything. Oh, they put something in the back.
Yeah, they put a patio,
Oh,
patio in the back.
The patio, it's separate. It's separate, hon.
Okay.
It's like a little separate gazebo, but it's open up. Do you know that like no roof thing, that only wood like this?
Right, right. What's up, kiddos?
Not much is going on.
Nothing. We're in Pelham, so we're headed towards you. 'Cause
Okie dokie.
see, we got. Of course, I've had to buy frozen stuff. Really, frozen stuff to take all the way back.
You got, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I said, and of course, I had to buy frozen stuff that we have to get back upstate.
They have to go straight.
I bought the frozen pizza. Yeah, straight.
Their pizzas are good.
No, I'm sorry, not the pizza. The frozen lasagna, the one with sausage and chopped meat in it.
Okay.
It's really good, but it's very.
So ngayon, ang lulutuin natin is, tika muna, ang lulutuin ko guys is sausage and potato. So ipakita ko sa inyo, ikakat ko lang itong sausage and then ipa-fry with potato. Okay, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Pero ngayon, magluto lang ako kasi nga, yun na yung lutuin ko for tamimoy. Yun na yung dinner niya. Dinner ni Mr. So, yun na siya. Kasi nga, 4 o'clock na. Late na po tayo. Okay guys, ang una ko pong gawin is kailangan ko lang i-brown itong sausage ko. Hindi yung sa akin yung sausage guys, kasi wala akong sausage. Pero yung sausage na nakat natin, i-brown lang natin siya. Para naman, maganda siyang tignan. Hindi siya parang pale looking. Oh, diba? Pale looking. So, ito na yun guys, yung potato, nakakat na natin. Ano po ito? 5 potato. Ito, bell pepper, pula at green, onion, at saka garlic. So, yun siya. And, naano na din natin itong natin. Look. Sausage, na brown na siya. And, preheat ako ng 400 degrees sa oven. And then, nilagay ko dito yung kaunting oil ng yung nilutuan natin na yun, and then ilagay dito ko siya i-mix guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Guys, ito na yung ating lalagyan ng ating lulutuin. Nilalagay ko lang dito yung potato at saka yung mga sangkap. Minimix ko na siya guys. And then of course, kailangan din natin silang i-season para naman masarap yung ating niluluto. Garlic and onion granulated po sila guys. And then kunting asin, and then paminta, and then yung Italian parmesan na mix seasoning. So yun. At saka yun, imimix, lagyan ng konting oil kahit may oil na siya kanina, pero kailangan natin lagyan ng olive oil konti para yung seasoning kumakapit siya. So yun guys, minimix ko lang siya guys. Gumagamit ako ng gloves kasi parang hindi na ako palaging wash. Itatapon na lang yung gloves. O diba? Ang arte ni ating kailangan kasi guys, kasi yung tao dyan magagalit yung iba. So, yun guys, yun yung ano natin, prepare natin para may makain yung asawa natin na masaya siya guys. Paborito niya guys. Yun. So guys, preheated na yung oven. 400 degree yung nakalagay doon. And then itong klaseng pagluluto guys, wala po itong timer. Okay, hindi ko tina-time. Ang ginawa ko lang is chine-check ko siya palagi. Ayaw ko maging parang sobrang soft yung potato. Yung tama lang na hindi din matigas, hindi sobrang soft na parang lugaw. So yun siya. And then tinitignan ko kasi gusto ko din siya ma-brown. Ang pinakalas nito guys, bago ko siya kinuha is binobroil ko siya ng sobrang low and then I pay attention. This is done guys. Tignan nyo naman. Paano kaya ito? Masarap kaya ito? So yun, sausage, potato, bell pepper, onion, and garlic. Yum. How do you like my potato? You like it, huh? Potato and sausage.
I think I looked them up a little more.
Yeah, I know it. But anyway, say bye-bye now because we're gonna end the vlog.
Hey guys.
Night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.